Coalesce podcast. My name's Grant.
And I'm Meg.
And today we are going to look at how we can add additional answers. One of the common kind of use cases when you're rolling apps like this is you have some kind of a parent object or even just a list of things, and you want to add some children to that. So in this case, we have a question, and instead of just 4 answers, we want to have 5 answers, or even say, hey, we want to take away 1 and move it to 3 answers. And so there's some pretty easy ways to do that here in Coalesce. And so we're gonna look at probably a couple different ones and some kind of ins and outs of some of the different choices that you'd make using different options. So first of all, I think let's go ahead and be able to delete an answer. That's probably the simplest thing to do.
Yeah.
Right off the bat. So it usually involves a trash can of some sort. So
some kind of trash can icon. So we can just delete an answer, maybe right in line right
just
here.
Right in line, yeah, that sounds great.
There's a couple ways to do this. Maybe the more proper way would be to set up a list or something, but I am actually just going to use a grid system because it's a little bit faster to do off the top of my head. And this is just Beautify's grid system, where you can do rows and columns. So we'll put these in a column. Doesn't really look too much different. And then we'll add another column. It has a button, and we'll just say delete for now, but we can add the trash can that Grant was talking about soon.
Yeah.
And then we can say this should be on the right hand side. And there we go. So
that's really nice. So you can just adjust the column so it just
just adjust it all up.
Awesome. So you set the auto to the one that you want to collapse.
Yes.
And then the other one just takes up whatever the space is. And that dense, that just like changes the space.
Yeah, it just makes it so it's not so like
looking. Beautify can get a little bit like
padded.
Spacious. And it's like, and part of it is because of the way it works, but and some of the time when you do have like validation text and stuff like that, it can get a little crazy. But okay, so now we just have to hook that up, right?
Yeah, so now we just add that click event and we say on our answer here dot delete, and we've learned our lesson. We call that. And now when we delete, it should do something. There we go.
Wow, and that's kind of a one way. Let's refresh the page. Is it really gone?
Hopefully. Yep.
Boom.
It's gone.
Gone.
So we only have 3 more tries to test this.
Yeah, that's right. So we better add like an add button at some point as well.
Yes. So a couple ways to do this UI wise. I think what we want to do is we want to just is the plan to add in a blank text field with a little add button, and then you just be able to add.
And maybe just have an add, and it would add in a new field.
Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah, so just have add at the bottom, or maybe we could put it right with save, like just hey, add a new row or something.
Yep. So here's save. So let's just add something here, and let's say we could actually do another input.
Yeah, just do a button, and then it'll add a row, and then the row will appear blank.
Okay, we want to just show the row only.
Just show it. Okay. Yeah, just pop it down there. I mean, I guess we could do it the other way too, but this is probably a little bit more straightforward.
Yeah. Okay, so this is actually going to call something here.
So we make a little function down below.
Or maybe even just, I don't know. It probably does have to be a function because we have to probably clear out our answer. So, and we don't have to call it, but I don't know. I've already done it. Okay. Function, add new answer. And we're going to say we need a bool to be able to show and hide.
So this time, let's just go ahead and just add a row.
Oh yeah, we could do that.
And then I think it'll just show up and we should be okay. So if we just question.
What am I thinking here? Oh, we want to do add child, right? There we go. And then for answers, and then.
And I think there was another method on there that says add to answers.
Oh, is there? Let's see.
I think this is a way to do it as well, but I think there's like a.
Oh, there we go. Perfect. So we don't need to do
that
string match.
And I think we could even I think you can actually add nothing. I think it can maybe be taken as blank.
Maybe, yeah.
We have to add in. I think we can just do that. And which doesn't need a parameter. Maybe it does.
Let's see. What does this
parameters coming in there?
I wonder if this needs some kind of import. Oh, it's I don't think I have to have that there. There we go.
There you go. Perfect.
Okay. So that should add, this is a little bit ugly. Let's just put break here maybe. Oh, that's even worse. We'll leave it. It's
little
fine.
padding or something.
Yeah, something needs to be fixed here.
Oh, much better. Okay, let's see what happens.
Yep. So what's going to happen here is we're going to click that. It's going to add to answers, and hopefully we'll get blank row. So there we go. Now
we can.
I'm going to guess that this isn't, oops, not what I wanted to click. That this isn't saving nicely. So.
Because there's no text in the box yet.
Yep. So if we refresh, I don't think that'll be there when we come back. There we go. So now.
But if we add and then put in some text.
Would we get rid of nice? Nice.
Yes, there we go.
Spelled nice.
Now.
And that's
I forgot to make sure we have auto save. Oh, so
we do have auto saving.
Auto saving on. Okay.
It should stay here. Our other save button's a little redundant.
Yes.
So yeah, there you go.
Now, if we turn auto save off,
so
let's try that and just so we kind of understand how that works.
And
so if we hit that and we put it in and we refresh, like you can just type some stuff in here.
Yeah, I'll just type something in. And now we refresh. That won't be there.
Yep. Great. What if you delete these?
That should still work because this is a delete operation. Yep.
Yeah. So the delete is going to push it through.
And now when we save, that should stay. Although we'll keep that auto save on. Might as well.
Yep.
It doesn't matter that we have two. I mean, this is a template page.
Awesome. And if I would have had like you were talking about, like you could pop up a little box, get the input.
Yep.
And then like actually create a little temporary question view model or answer view model. And it's going to do that. And you notice we didn't set any parents or anything like that. It just automatically knows what to do. So like you literally could have just had the text box with a little ad, and then it would boom and create it right there.
Yeah.
And some of these kind of depend on whether you're going to do saving ahead of time, like if you're doing auto saves, or whether you're doing kind of a batched up saves or bulk save or something like that. That is gonna make a difference.
Mm-hmm.
But let's see. Are there any other we kind of saw a couple different ways to do that. You see how it works with auto save, how it works with bulk save.
I think the next thing to talk about is probably how to customize your saves.
Oh, awesome! Because when you're saving stuff, you want to like do it some other ways, and for example, make sure that you're not cross-linking.
Yeah, because if you come over here and look at the admin pages, and the admin
that's not working.
They could still technically come and add a different answer.
Well, in the next episode, we're gonna show you how to do that.
So,
Okay. Till then, keep building awesome apps with Coalesce.